mboka ya mama zola batulombele tukala banzo mika myambwa lekela kumosi vuvukila kumosi tokukana makuku matatwe sola setu sola sana una pa fleuve sola setu sola sana kulukaya sola setu sola sana ukatarakte sola setu sola sana Congo central oye ne Congo ibeto ba ibeto sikama twalomba watata nzambe yandi nzambe luzolo
Tata nzambi fulusa luzolo mumitima myeto bane Kongo menga tugwesola kuyaya kukwala bwetwe fulusa luzolo aganzanje aya tuzolane abibiyangiro kulwanyi nangakwe tuisana bayaya tuzolana kapwala wetu wao bakulu bakatubikina
Fwadia tusisila bankaka tulula dio tusadila dio tutumula dio
singa ya famille benanaka kasi ekatanaka te ne Kongo tovanda tosolola famille solaka tulombele tozolana
tuvanda bafongo
Olwisa tofukana olwisa towizana Kongo centrale tia mabosono tuti na vita uyamula mafwanga tuti na kindu uyamula mansoni
c'est mort l'amour et non la haine. Évitons le bain de sang inutile. Privilégions le dialogue. Unissons-nous. Reconstruisons notre province Congo central. Yabiniso.
Menos mfuza luyalu Yeza mundu manzami Menos mfuza mapata Umutangwa Menu mamuta yeba leke Matata yeba mama Tuizana Tuizana
nado tata muela mitambula enzambia me fumo me fumo tata muela mitambula enzambia me Sans effet na molimo kotonga sans effet. Sans effet na molimo koiba sans effet. Oyena lokosa na yo. Oyena koiba na yo. Oyena Ela é só Micelo. Hasta buscou na Diria, não te sente.
Uvovanga uzolele nzambi kasi kundiaku Uvovanga vozolanga nzambi kasi bisalu Zola yake dika yena mena mumomo Makreti sadila Yeyenge Zola kaina pasiko, zola bayaya. Zola kaina pasiko, zola iluti di mamo. Zola kaina pasiko, zola iluti bayaya. Zole zola bayaya. Zola kaina pasiko, zola iluti di mamo. Zola kaina pasiko, zola iluti di mamo. Luyambula kibala bayaya Luyambula kindo kibaya Luyambula sala nambi mampangi Nzola kaina pasiko Nzola iluti di mamo Nzola kuna tanga yenge yekese bayaye Fumu Yesu watufana nsiku Twazola sana beto ye beto Ankundi twazola na kwa pambako Muntu wena muzola wena mwana wa nzambi Zole zole Zola iluti di mamo Zola kaina pasiko Zola iluti bayaya Zola kule bufilana mamo Zola kufila kananga mamo Zola iluti di mamo Zola kaina Zola yatuka kwa nzambi Zola mpangia kubonto ukuzola ngemosi Zola mpangia kubonto ukuzola ngemosi Okula zola ko kule ni mona mfomoko Filu la majela Filu la majela Zola Zola kaina pasiko Zola iluti di mamo Zola kaina pasiko Zola iluti di mamo Zola iluti di mamo
Ayaya Zola yake nikakayena mena mumomo Matwe tisadi la wiki Zola na tu zola ne Matandu banyanga tu zola ne Reba kongo maluba tu zola ne Aswahili bangale Mana Congo Central Kamandulu Equateur Grand Kasai Kisangani Boyoma Grand Katanga Ye Grand Kivu Ata Ama Aya Etu zona Natu zona ne Banome Mindele Papa Ser Basali Azame Etu Solana
Yusula sanaga beto yebeto bampangi Sola patuka kwa nzambe
Matatula di sukuchaluka ya mama Zola batulombele Tukala banzo Mika miambwa Lekela kumosi Fungukila kumosi Topukana makuku matatwe Sola setu sola sana Unapa fleve Sola setu sola sana Kuluka ya Sola setu sola sana Ukatarak Sola setu Centrale oye ne Congo Ibeto
Ibeto si calma tua Roma Matata nzambe yandi nzamba nuzolo Yabane Congo Tata nzambi fulu saluzalo mumitima myeto bane Congo Omenga tugwe sola kuyaya Kukwala bwetwe Fulu saluzalo Angatande Aya tuzolane Abibiyangilo kulwanyi nanga bwe Tuisa na bayayi Tuzola na Kabwala wetu wao bakumba katubikita
Fwadia tusisila bakaka Tulula dio Tusadila dio Tutumula dio
Singa ya famille benanaka kasi ekatanaka te ne Congo tovanda tosolo na famille solaka tuombele tozolana
Tuvanda bafongo
Olwisa tofukana Olwisa towizana Nanga satare tia babosono Tuti na vita Uyamula mafanga Tuti na kendo Uyamula mansoni
C'est mort l'amour et non la haine. Évitons le bain de sang inutile. Privilégions le dialogue. Unissons-nous. Reconstruisons notre province Congo Central. Yabiso.
Menos mfungo za luyalu Keza mfungo manzambi Menos mfungo za mabata Tumutangwa Menu mamuta yeba leke Matata yeba mama Louisana Louisana
Tokolonga Mona mère Rogatien Milor Garo Marca Mama C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences et ensemble we are one, you and I. Let's stick together. Lego Kolanda tenzela ya mabe malembe malembe tokukoma mokili tondi magambo ebele ya sala na kimya
Yambote Nengwatariwa. Ingakat. Yambote. Yambote Nengwatariwa.
Yambote tata.
Yuna mavimpi, eh?
Ingeta, tuna mavimpi. Yenu,
Ayetoka tuna mavimpi. Titondele. Yambula twakaisa enkango, eh? Hello, if you're watching, we thank you. Do not move. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Congo Brazzaville, sorry. Nengwatariwa, Kubamene? Kiwis? Kubamene? Sorry?
Does it mean can you hear me?
Oh, sorry. To be ready. Kubama, the verb, yeah?
Oh, yeah, I remember. Okay.
Get ready.
Ingeta.
Kubamene?
Hello.
I'm looking for the nasal. Kubamene?
Oh.
Yes, it is present in the.
Kubamene.
Yeah, Kubamene. Yes. Wow. Mugungwaune?
Ngwauna.
Mukuwangina, your answer. Mugungwaune?
Kungwaina. It's like that.
Ah, rusty, yes, see?
Yes, very rusty.
No worries, we get there. Okay. Thank you very much for the time. You are Kimpavita. You are the Nengwa true Kimpavita. For me, many people have a nickname Kimpavita. Okay, thank you, but Kimpavita, she's a lady. She's a fighter, yes? Not a quitter, yes? This is it. Okay. Mukungwaune. Going back to the same question. Anyway, the answer is very easy. You can't have nasal twice, yes? If I give you the nasal, you drop the nasal when you answer back, yeah? Mukungwaune.
So is it?
Just repeat my phrase as it is. Sorry?
Is it Uku? Is it Kungwa?
Hello. Tatane.
That's good talent, yeah.
Hello.
Thank you very much for the time, Tatane. Tatane, Mukungwauna.
Am I ready?
Hit the ground running, yeah?
Yes.
Mukungwaune.
Is it
Yes.
How do I? Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. You can't have the nasal twice. Yes, because the nasal is the first person. I give you the nasal, you give him back, you drop my nasal when you answer, yeah? Mukungwauna.
Muku.
Drop the nasal, yes.
Mukungwa.
Ngina, yes.
Ngina. Mukungwa Ngina.
Hello, Tata David.
Kiambote.
Thank you very much for the time. I know it is early where you are. Yes, let me try to say it again. Present perfect indicative. It is very important. I mean, we always use present perfect indicative. Yes, you remember, yes? Always. Past, okay, if it means something in the past, but present is it is present because The first person is always nasal, yes? Remember?
Yes.
Yes.
Dr. David, yes? Can you hear me, Dr. David?
Yes.
Yes. So, present perfect. You got the document. I don't want to go back to the file. Otherwise, we will become lazy. Yes, totally. We need to use our brains. Our brains. So, the key word is nasal. Present perfect indicative. The key word is nasal. If I give you the nasal, when you answering back, you drop the nasal. Yes. If I say mukungwauna, the verb is wa. What is wa, Tata David? Wa.
To drink.
Noa is drink. Wa is. Yes.
Yep. Not sure.
Not too far. You're not too far. Wa.
Wa to listen.
Yes.
Okay.
So my question is mukungwaune. Can you translate me to the Alan? Mukungwaune. Can you hear me? Yes, this is the English. Yes. Can you hear me? Yes. Mukungwaune. So you answer, you drop the nasal, just keep the sentence as it is. Tata David. Mukungwaune.
Let's see. Then
Muku, yeah, you repeat my friend. Muku wangina.
Mukuwangina.
Yeah, you just drop you drop the nasal. Yes.
Okay.
Mukungwaune Tata Allen.
Mukungwangina.
Be careful, you drop the nasal. We can only have a nasal once, yes? I give you the nasal, you drop the nasal when you answer back. Mukungwauna Tata Allen. Muku wangina, yes, you drop the nasal.
So is it Mukungwangina?
Yeah, you drop the nasal because I have the nasal. Mukungwaune. Yeah. Yeah, we've been there.
So is it going to be a... I'm getting confused. So is it going to be... do I say what? No. Right, because why is to listen, right? So Ngwidi is...
Good, you're ahead of me. I'm getting there. You repeat it. So don't worry. Yeah, well done. Yeah, you. Just stick with this one. Mukuwangine. Sorry. Mukungwauna Tata Ale. You answer. You drop the nasal. Yeah. Mukungwauna. Just repeat my sentence.
Mukungwangina.
Yes, Mukuwangina. Yes. Then going back to your question, if I ask you, Weedy, remember we can't have nasal twice, yes? Same question, Tatale. Now you go. I'm going back to your logic, your explanation, yeah.
Okay.
Your question, yes. Listen carefully. We can't have nasal twice. Same verb. Weedy. Tatale, your answer.
Ngwidi.
Well done, yes. That's David, yes.
Okay.
Yes. VCD, VCD.
DCD.
VCD, visa to understand. VCD. Yeah, you give me the nasal. VCD.
Not DCD.
No, visa, VAISA.
Oh, VCD. Sorry.
Not the money, not the card. VCD.
VCD.
Well done, yes. Same question. Pay attention, same question. Mukumvisa una nengo tediwe. Remember, we you can only have the nasal once.
Okay.
Yeah? I give you the nasal. Mukumvisa
it's
una.
Mukuvisangina.
Well done, yes. Question, Tatale. Is it clear to them?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is Kikong. Visa to understand. If I say my question, I mean, the key word is nasal. If I give you the nasal, when you answer back, you drop the nasal. Yes? Tatale. Yes.
Yes.
This is the rule of thumb. Yeah, I give you the nasal, you drop the nasal. Baki ici, Tata David. Baki ici. Baki ici. You just the verb. Just don't go far, Tata David. Your answer, that's my verb. Just you give me the nasal now. Baki ici. Baki ici. Baki ici. Yeah. Baki ici. Yes. Is it clear, Tata?
Yes.
Tata, vous voulez?
Mvovele.
Yeah, vous voulez. Vous voulez? Okay. If I say Mbova, okay, this is too complicated. We don't want to go there. Any question so far? David?
Can you what is the meaning of the verb visi once again?
Visa is your
Visa.
to understand. It's the same. Visa, Bakisa is the same thing to understand.
Okay, thank you.
Nengwatadiwa Didi.
Didi.
Yes. Translation Didi.
I ate.
Yeah, eating. Yes, yeah, good. Question. Is it clear, Tatane? This is Kikong. Same question. You answer me the question now. Now your turn, Tatane. Yeah. Over to you now. Using Visa, I mean, you use the two-way. I mean, I do this fun. It's you over to Tatane. Same verb. Remember, you can ask two ways. Yes. Either you give me the nasal, then I drop it, or the other way around. Yes.
Okay, you said the verb visa.
Yeah, use the verb understand. Yes, in Kikong, verb understand, not visa. The other one. Yes, I want you to use your brain.
Okay. Anyone let me see.
The other one is the other one is Bakisa. Yes.
Okay.
So your question.
Bakisa. Is there gonna be a
two questions? I mean, two questions. Same verb but twice. Two questions. two different ways of asking the same question. Yes. Yes.
Well, okay, I'm a little bit confused. So when you say Bakisa, okay, so then you said oh, okay. Two ways to ask it. Okay.
When you use the I don't want to use the answer.
Use it. You're saying use it in the present indicative, and then
they are both. In a way, they are both. Yes. Well, the question is yours. You ask me the question. Okay, to make it easy, when you use muku, just remember you're going to use nasal. Yes, your verb. Yes.
Yes, muku. Oh, okay, muku.
You are going to use the nasal. Asking the question. Yes.
Okay. Muku.
Nasal. Yes.
Mukumbakisa una.
Well done. Mukubaki sangina. Well done. Yeah. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, so
Dr. David, Bakisa is the same thing as the visa. Bakisa, to understand.
okay.
So if
So you can just say Bakisangina then. For yes, I understand.
If you use muku, you have to use the nasal. Muku mbakisa una.
Okay.
So the same verb bakisa, because I'm using muku.
Bakisangina.
No, the question you ask them mukumbakisa una, you second. Remember ngina is first person, una is second. Mukumbakisa una, yes.
Mukumbakisa una.
Yes, my answer would be.
Did you understand? So you can say Mukumbakisa ngina.
You can't say that. No. Your question is mukumbakisa una. My answer will be, I drop the nasal, mukubakisa ngina. Remember, ngina is a color from color.
Mm-hmm.
Although in this case, we could say that it is not really a verb. Hard to define. It's like auxiliary because we have two verbs. Yeah, remember, ngina from color. Remember, we last time we spoke about. We were explaining that because you have color. I mean, ngina is from kala, ngina, una, tuna, luna, bena. Bakisa is a verb, of course. Two verbs, no. So we assume we take it as auxiliary. Is clear, Dr. David? So your question, mukumbakisa una, then my answer, mukubakisa ngina. Totally the same question, the other way. Without using the muku, yes. The same verb, bagisa. Very short question.
I'm trying to. So the nasal is gonna just be the same, right?
No. When you ask me the question, as long as you use the muku, yes. Remember, you have to have the nasal on your verb, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then the other question is very short. Just the verb.
Bakisa una.
No, just keep it easy. Bakisi is the question.
Oh, bakisi. Oh, okay.
Yeah, bakisi, yes.
Okay. No, I got it. Okay.
The other. I mean, if you want to make your life, hard, that's up to you.
I see.
Up to the other option. Just go for the other option. Just VCD. Do you understand? Bakisi. Vovele. Nengwatadiwa, over to you. Vova. Using the verb vova. You asked me two questions. I mean, same question but two ways. You have to tell it two ways, yeah?
Yeah, so okay, so when you use muku with the nasal, maybe I need the okay, so Mbaki-san.
Can you ask? Just try to ask your question.
No, maybe what I'm trying to figure out is the outside. So the verb itself is
Bakisa, the infinitive. Bakisa, yes.
Okay. No, I'm just trying to look at the rules for the present indicative for like the first person and second, third, and.
Oh yeah, no. See, focus on the first person. The rest is easy. But if you say Bakisi, the first, then the second Bakisi, the third Bakisi.
Okay.
First plural Lubaki, two Bakisi, Lubakisi. Don't worry too much about that because the hardest bit is the nasal. Yes.
Yeah. No, I got it. Okay. I got it.
Same question. Ask. No. Never tell you. Sorry. Over to you. Thank you very much. Over to you.
Okay.
Using the verb vova. Two questions. No. Sorry, maybe this is not a question. The proper question for this in this case. Mona, that is hard. That I can tell you. Mona.
Okay, so I say Mukumbwene Una.
Mukumbona una, yes, the mbona, yeah. It's hard, yeah.
What's Mbona? Okay.
Yeah.
Mukumbona Una.
Mukumona ngina, yes? Did you get that? Totally, yes. Totally.
Yeah.
Mukumona ngina. The question was Mukumbona una, nasal from Nangataliwa. My answer, Mukumona ngina. Then the same question, the other way.
Then I just say Mbona.
Sorry?
So I just say Mbona.
Think twice. We don't have nasal. Muku comes with nasal. The other question, the shortcut. The shortcut, there's no nasal. Yes.
Also, I just say Mona.
Mwene.
Mwene.
Yeah, mwene. Totally.
Yeah.
Mwene.
Make sure you pitch. I mean, it is because it is a question. Make sure you emphasize. Yeah. Yes. Question mark. Mwene. Yes.
Then, how would you respond? How would you respond when I say?
You tell me.
So you just say Mbwene.
Yeah, Mbwene. Yes. Of course. Yeah.
So is that the preferred method?
Which one?
The using it like the second way, the Mbwene.
Yes, but because Bakongo people are too formal, I mean, Mukumbona una, yes, is a bit formal. Mwene, Mbwene. Yes,
okay.
Is it clear? I'm going to tell you a question.
No questions. I don't have questions.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let me just go to Tata David.
Okay.
Any questions, Tata David? Are you clear? Is it clear to you, Tata David?
No, not entirely. So I could give the one word answer. Just I have seen. If I include the nasal, then it's mwene. But if I leave the nasal off, which sounds like it's appropriate in this case, then it's just wene.
Okay. Let me try to help here. Mona is a verb. Tata David, yes?
Yes.
Mona. We have the same verb, but two ways. Yeah, you answer. You can ask the same question two ways. Is it clear, Tata? Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
I want to make sure all of us we are clear on this one. So the verb is mona. Remember, mona verbs beginning with M. What is the root, Alain, to have the nasal? We use the MB, yes?
MB, yeah.
Yes. So using muku, if you have muku in your sentence, mona, you have to use nasal. Mukumbona una. Can you see me? Yes. The other question will be mwene. Then my answer must be nasal. The first one, it is not nasal. You have the nasal. I mean, basically, you can't have nasal twice. Tata David, over to you.
Okay.
Using the same verb, ask me the question. You go for muku, yes? Muku,
Mukuwene una.
Mukumbona una, yes. Mukumbona una, yes. My answer, because you are using the nasal, you have the nasal. I should drop the nasal. My answer
Okay.
will be same sentence. My answer will be Mukumona ngina. Remember, una is from the verb color, so in my case, Mukumona ngina.
Okay.
The shortcut, Tata David. Some verb, that option, second.
Yeah, it would be just to say
Muene, yes, muene, yes. Then my answer, muene. Is it clear that dia, Tata David, dia means dia?
To eat, to eat.
Yeah, well done. What's on the just found the man, this one we had Sosa. Sosa means that Alan Sosa.
Sosa.
To search, yes. To look for, yes.
Search.
Then just use the verb. Just try to apply it on. To practice. Tata David. Sosa. Sosa. Muku. Then use verb sosa. Una. Should be nasal. Muku. Tata David. Are you looking for me? Muku.
Yeah. So I was just trying to think of the nasal.
That's simple nasal. NS. This case.
NS, Mukun sosa una.
Bravo, yes. Well done. Mukun sosa una. Then my answer, muku sosa ngina. I dropped the nasal. Tata, yes? Nemo tadi.
Yeah.
Tata, are you there, Tata?
I'm trying to be.
You're trying to be.
So okay, so you're saying okay, so drop the nasal on the response. So it's muku sosa una.
Your question, yeah. My answer, I dropped the nasal. Muku sosa ngina. Yes.
Okay, so you're saying in both cases we're still using present indicative.
We are, because you ask your question is muku tosa una. Yeah, tosa is a verb. Muku tosa una. Yes.
So how come for okay? So maybe I'm getting confused. For Mona, we didn't use
nasal. We did. Yeah, your question. You tell me that Muku. You ask me the question then using Mona. You've trapped yourself.
So is it gonna be
Muku? Yeah,
Muku.
Nasal, yes. MB Muku.
Mbona,
yeah. Mukumbona una, yes. Yes.
Okay, so this is where I'm getting confused. So is it Mbona is exactly what in what conjugation? Is that
no, it's the verb mona. I got you now.
You see where I'm getting confused?
Because you say mukumbwene una, you don't say that. Yeah, I got you. Yeah. This is Gikanga. Yeah, there are things that we have to memorize. Yeah, I know what you mean.
I'm with you, Ellen. You know, you look at the chart, and it's when, right?
Yeah, so that's why I'm trying to figure out where Mbona is coming from.
Right, same here.
This is Gikanga, but when the other option will be Tatani, the question, that option.
No,
Mwene. My answer will be Mwene instead of Mbona. Yeah, Tatani.
Yes.
I know what you're trying to say. But No, but try to apply it with the verb visa, VCD. There's no change. Even there's no change. VCD.
Yeah, VCD. Yeah.
Yeah, that verb. This is special for Mona.
Okay, that's the part. Okay, all right. So,
but the reason, I think the reason is because M. Remember, Kikongo nasal we use M because the verb itself is M, beginning with M. Supposed to be the nasal. We use M for nasal. That's why we have mbona, I think. But don't. This is my way of thinking. I mean, I'm not sure if it is correct, but it is fine. Yeah, is it clear?
No, it's clear now. It's clear now.
I think this is a special case, but if you apply to let's say visa, VCD, there's no change because the verb VCD, to VCD, bakisa, bakisi, mukumbakisa una, yes, bakisi, yeah. Yeah, okay. That's good. Clear,
better now.
I know. Yeah, this is good, you know. That is good. This is good, Tatana. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, you done well because this put something very important. Let's try the verb wa. Yes. Well, it is the same. It is the same thing as Mona Tata David. Totally. Wa mukungwaune Gwidi. Remember Gwidi? Yes. Yeah, you get that? Yes.
Yes, I do.
Because the first person, singular is nasal. Let's say verb wa, weedy, tuidi, luidi, bawidi. But when you're asking your question, instead of saying mukungwidi una, mukungwa una, yes?
Yes.
Exception, yes? You're not following the rule. Verb mona, buene. When you're asking the question, mukumbona una instead of mbuena una. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Because the verb will say muene, we don't say mbona. No, we don't say that. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Small talk now. Yes. Tell him. Yes, you're going somewhere. You have met Tata Nengwa Tadiwa. Yes. You don't know the lady's name? Yes. Never met her before. Yes.
Okay.
Over to Tata. She's going south. You're going north, of course. Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to start with Kiambo de Nengwa.
Yeah.
Kiambo de that.
I mean, do I have to ask? Okay. Waku nani?
Yes.
Nkumbwame. Nengwa Tadiwa.
Yes.
Engeye.
You feel the yenge tata kumba kunan because yenge we use it in other cases.
Yenge tata kumba kunan.
Yes, because when we ask how are you, my VP yenge and you, yes. So in this case, no.
Kumbwame Tata Island.
Yes.
Kwe, yeah. Kwe.
Kwe uta.
Kwe. Okay. Where are you coming from, right? What? Kwe.
No, going.
Oh, where you
Kwenda,
going?
going.
Kwe.
Uta.
Kwe uta.
Kwenda, yes.
Kwenda.
You answer Nengwatariwa, use go for present indicative, yes? Present perfect indicative, please.
Kuzandu itakwenda.
This is how do you call it? Present continuous. We want indicative, present perfect indicative. What do you do? Remember the keyword is nasal, yes?
Also have to say Kuzandu is in.
You are going. You nasal. Kwenda nasal, use nasal, yes?
Do I say?
Ngele kuzandu.
I thought Ngele was like for past things.
Sorry?
Okay. So I just say Ngele.
Ngele kuzandu. We just want to make sure we use your, yes. Because remember, verb kwenda ngele, wele, twele, yes?
So in this case, he's saying I have, or I've gone. Is it I've gone to the market?
Translations.
Or I've been to.
I'm going. Although a bit there's a nuance between continuous and I'm going. Yes, it is. I'm going, but more on the other side, perfect indicative.
It wouldn't be Singa Kwenda.
She's going now. You have met, yes.
Okay, she's going. Okay.
Yeah, Ngele. You can see me going, yes. Ngele.
Yeah. Okay. I'm getting it. This is where I'm just getting a little bit confused because
Ngele was like past, like I left, I went.
No. Ngele could be Ngele. I don't want to confuse you. I don't want to say too much, otherwise you will be confused. Ngele is present perfect indicative for kwenda, yes. Ngele, wele, yes. Kwiza is to come. Ngizidi, wizidi, yes. If I come to you, Tata David, we meet Tata earlier, I come to your place. Okay, how are you, Tata David? Okay, see you later. Ngele kuzandu. So in this case, it means I'm going, yes.
Okay.
Ngele kuzandu, yes.
So the rule is not like strict. It's not a strict thing. Like this is just for the.
No. There's some not every time. But in this case, it's like the thing we did before. In this case, Kwenda and Kwenda and Wiza. Ngizidi.
Okay.
I've come. Sometimes it sounds like present continuous. Yes. I've come.
Yeah. So So in this case, are we saying I am going?
I've gone.
Or I've gone.
I've gone. Yes.
I have gone. Okay. I have
yes.
Gone. But then okay. And then in the future it will be I will be going. Right?
Singenda isinga kwenda. Okay. Isinga kwenda.
Okay.
Ngele. Ngele kuzandu.
Okay.
You can see me going, yeah? You're asking, where are you going? Oh, Ngele kuzandu. So, where are you going? Ngele kuzandu. In this case, you're right. It means I'm going. It's more continuous, present continuous. Yes?
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
More present continuous than, how to say it?
So that's, I'm going, but back to Ellen's question. How do you say "I've gone"?
Yes, you use the same. Hence, linguists are right when they say that you always make sure you use the verb or anything adjective in the sentence so that people can understand you mean continuous or past. Certainly, yes.
Is there which way is the formal way of saying it? Will it be like ita or itakwenda, or will it be?
Yeah, itakwenda is the idea because you know that you are going. It's continuous, yes. Present continuous. Kuzandu itakwenda, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So do I understand you to say that Kikongo speakers prefer the more formal form in almost every case, even in just casual conversation?
Yeah, they're very formal. Ngele, I've gone. Tetani, yes, I've gone.
Okay.
Yes. But I've gone could be I'm going. It depends on. That's why use the full sentence, then you understand the meaning.
Because like the way that I would envision using I've gone, like if I don't know if I'm on the phone with someone and then they're asking me,
yes,
you know, like, okay, well, yeah, no, okay,
no, I got you totally because it is Kikongo, you know, this is Bantu language, yes. Translation is the killer, you know.
Okay.
Translation is the traitor, yes.
Okay.
You know the story of Jean, the guy that I forgot Manolo, the name. They asked him. Police was looking for a treasure. Someone, the guy has hidden the treasure. Then they asked his friend. They asked the robber, "Where's the treasure?" It is there behind my house. So the police asked his friends, "Can you translate?" So he did the translation. Said, "No, Manolo is saying that shoot him. Don't worry, you can shoot him." So then they shoot the guy. His friends knew the place. He went to pick up the treasure. You know. Translation. Did you get that? Yeah. This is the translation. So try to think in English, try to think in French and Portuguese, translate from Kikongo. That's why I agree with the linguists. They are right because always it took me time. It took me long. Remember, we've just started learning verbs. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Because you can't say like in French or Portuguese, you have books of verbs, past, future, present. Remember. Go home and study them. Kikongo can't do that. It doesn't work. The proof is here. We have the verb kwenda. Yeah. Kwenda means to go. But when I say I've gone, ngele, is it continuous or past? Yeah? Present perfect. How to say it? Yeah, David. Yes. That's the question. Anyway, we're done for today. What are the questions?
No. I think you are right. I mean, this is more. It's a spoken language versus a.
Think in Kikongo. Yeah. You must think in Kikongo. Yes.
Yeah.
Because remember, I did. Sorry, what I do?
No, I just thought it's not the same as in like English and
yeah, you're right. Yes, because when I asked my advisor, he said that there's no hard. How do you call it? Past of the past. How to say it? Past perfect. Yes, is it? I forgot.
It's past perfect.
Yeah, past perfect.
Hard. Yeah, that is what the time.
Yeah.
The tense, yes. So we haven't got it in Congo. There's no past perfect, is it? Past perfect in Congo. Yes. But the other one said that there is. The only thing is you can't do it as we do in English or French. you have to put the verb in full sentence so that we can understand the meaning. I mean, the tense. Yes. Give me 2 seconds. I want to clarify something here. Yes. Tata David, question.
No, not for now.
Tata, you're doing well, you know. Give me 2 seconds. I need to make sure we understand it properly.
Okay.
Yes, very, very, very important. Otherwise, we'll be going back to something. Oh. Okay. Yes, past perfect. This is the word, yeah? Past perfect, yes? We don't have it in Kikongo. We do have it, but you need to understand to put it into context, yeah? Past perfect. Anyway, Tatale, question.
No question.
Well done, yeah? You know, now it's good because you're trying to think in Kikongo. Remember, some verb was asking, 2 way of asking a question, Tatale. VCD, mukumvisa una VCD. My answer, VCD. Mukumvisa una, mukuvisa ngina. Just remember, you can't have nasal twice. If I give you nasal, you give back, you drop the nasal. Mukumvisa una, you answer mukuvisa ngina. Then the shortcut, VCD. And what did you answer? VCD. Then what did you VCD? Your answer?
VCD.
VCD, yes.
VCD.
VCD. Bakisi Tatane.
Mbakisi.
Yes. Mukumbakisa una.
Mukubakisa ngina.
You dropped the nasal. Well done, yes. Tata David. You told them, thank you very much for the time. Someone has written, Manu. Oh, Manu, muito obrigado. Thank you very much. Tata David, Tata Ale, can you translate, please?
Mavimpi meno tuka ngeye longi ya longoki
aku andingeto
akikongo.
Yes.
Mavimpi is what? Just hello.
Sure. Yes. Mavimpi actually, the word vimpi means health. Yes. So, yes.
Okay, health. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Hello to you. Yeah. This is the exact. How should I say that? The exact explanation. See, we got Mavimpi meno. In English, you mean hello, yes, but we're talking health. Your health, yes.
Okay.
Mavimpi meno, yes. Carry on, please.
Tuka is from.
Well done. Yes, yeah. Tukange, yeah.
Tukange, for you to come, I don't know, is that come from?
He means, don't translate literally, totally. It means okay. You longi, you teacher, yes?
You teacher, okay.
Yeah. And?
Longi is
learner, yes?
Yeah, okay, learner, aku, you.
Aku means David. Aku. David, remember Aku?
Yeah, you.
Yes, yours, yeah. Aku, yes, yeah. Ndinga eto, yes? Ndinga eto.
Ndinga is the speak, right?
Ndinga is the language.
The language, okay.
Ndinga eto, totally.
Ndinga eto, Akikongo.
Akikongo language, yes.
Akikongo language, okay.
Yeah, anyway, translation. Tutandele manu right. Okay, thank you for your time again. Luenda Kiambote.
Musala Kiambote.
Yo.
Timba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salumu, Didier Longa, les coordonnateurs. Père Mandela. Tony Masudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Agua Pompo. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Basagila. Zozoru Kanu. Mutukuina yaya. Jean-Paul Gouyamba.
Politisa Keita Kulama
Serge Ngodo na San Diego.
Kinshasa, Kinshasa, Bongo.